Happy Thursday! We are on April 30th, day 4, page 7 and 8. So, we've been doing some circles all week. We've been studying this guy Pythagoras. We watched 3 video tutorials plus my posts. Today is what I call a checkpoint. Many of you reached out, said, hey, I want to raise my grade. Think of this as our Friday quiz. So, let's do one together. On page 7, there's a chart. Okay? I drew the chart out. Page 7, number 3. They gave you an equation. From the equation, can we find out the radius? From the equation, can we find the center of the circle? Absolutely. So the first thing I see is this 225, okay? This 225 is not user-friendly to us. What is the square root of 25? In other words, what number times itself is 225? 15. So 15 squared. Remember Pythagoras? A squared plus b squared equals the radius squared. 15. Okay? 15. Now, look at the equation and read it. X minus 4.5, y minus 11. There it is. There's your x. There's your y. 4.5, comma, 11. All right. Now there's 4 of them you have to do on this page. I skipped down. Let's do 1, 2, 3. The fourth one. They gave you the radius. They gave you the center of the circle. Just write the equation. X minus a minus 1 squared plus y minus a minus 9 squared equals the square root of 17 squared. Done. Want to simplify? Sure. X plus 1 squared plus y plus 9 squared. And then remember the rule. The square root of something squared. What's the square root of 17 times the square root of 17? Itself. All right. Gonna made a mess there, huh? All right, let's rewrite it. Cool. You know, as I was getting ready to do this video, it's so gorgeous outside. What if we were to leave here and do a problem on page 8 on the window? Let's go do some window math. Come on. I'll see you in a second. We'll go do some window math. See you soon. Okay, thanks for joining me for window math. Got to change it up now and then, right? Now be careful. Whoever's living in the house, they may not want you writing on the windows, but if you got dry erase pens and some soap and water or Windex, it comes right off. No big deal. All right. Now let's look at the math. We're on a checkpoint today, okay? We're on Thursday. We're going to verify whether we know how to do the equation of a circle. There's some bonus problems on page number 8. Page 8, number 8. It says the circle shown is at the origin. It has a diameter of 8. Is the point 3, 3 on the circle? We know how to do this math. This guy named Pythagoras taught us all about this stuff, and that's the equation we're using. So, first thing I want to do, let's see if we can locate 3, 3. Go up 3, over 3, and I'm going to make a big dot with a question mark. Is that on the circle? Okay, the whole idea is this guy named Pythagoras said, make a right triangle. Okay? So, we take our right triangle, and we know it's over 3 units, it's up 3 units, and the beauty is we know the radius. If the diameter is 8, how much is the radius? Excellent. The radius has to be 4 units. Well, let's just use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We know 3 squared plus 3 squared equals 4 squared. 9 plus 9 equals 16. What? 18 is not equal to 16. The answer is no. No. For the bonus points, when you submit this paper, okay, you snap that photo, you send it to me. You're going to email it, you're going to text it, or you're going to post it on Blackboard. Is 3, 3 inside the circle? Outside the circle? It's not on the circle. This wraps up our checkpoint. This wraps up Circle Week. This wraps up day 4 of Montes May 2020 series. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for Binge Watching Friday. See ya.